If you're staring at 40 toaster ovens and everyone claims to be the best, here's what the box won't tell you. One oven on this list has a built-in wireless probe with 5 sensors, accurate to half a degree, that shuts the heat off the moment your chicken hits 165. Another is built on the platform America's Test Kitchen calls its longtime favorite. I'm also naming the air fryer toaster oven that reviewers keep recommending, even though Cuisinart itself now lists it as discontinued. And testers put its air frying a clear step below every dedicated air fryer they tried. And I'll give you the one number printed on every box that lies to almost every buyer. Products, links are in description. Number 6, Hamilton Beach, SureCrisp 31196 FG, starting the countdown with the cheapest oven on this list. Hamilton Beach lists the SureCrisp 31196 FG at $139.99 on its own website, and it regularly drops under $100 at big retailers. You get 6 modes: air fry, bake, broil, toast, pizza, and reheat. The cavity is genuinely big for the money. It takes a 12-inch pizza, 6 burgers, or 6 slices of bread, and the unit is 18.8 inches wide, 14.9 deep, and 11.9 tall. In the box, a mesh air fry basket, an oven rack, a bake pan, and a slide-out crumb tray, so nothing extra to buy. Now the honest part. Ratings classes this as a medium-sized toaster oven air fryer with plain dial controls, and that is exactly what you get. No screen, no digital temperature readout, no preheat alert. So you're trusting 3 knobs, and retail site buyers often say those markings are hard to read. Hamilton Beach itself notes on this family of ovens that air fry mode can need more time than a standalone air fryer. So treat it as a real second oven with a crisping mode attached, not as an air fryer replacement. For a household that reheats pizza, bakes frozen food, and roasts a tray of vegetables, that is plenty of oven for the price. Number 5, Ninja Flip SP151. This is for people whose counter is already full. 1,800 watts, 8 functions: air fry, roast, broil, bake, pizza, toast, bagel, and dehydrate. Ninja's oven crisp system pairs infrared heat with circulating air, and the headline trick is the body itself. It flips up and stands against your backsplash, which Ninja says cuts its counter footprint by 50%. Capacity is better than the shape suggests. Ninja rates it for up to 4 pounds of food in the air fry basket, a 12-inch pizza, 6 chicken breasts, and a meal for 4 people in around 20 minutes. Comparable value is $249.99, which is where Best Buy and Target list it right now, but it has repeatedly dropped to $149.99 during sale periods. At $149.99, it is one of the best deals in this category. At full price, look hard at number 4 and number 3 first. The trade-offs are real. Best Buy's aggregated owner feedback flags 2 recurring complaints. The outside gets hot during use, and toasting is not always even. Long-term reviewers add that the cavity is shallow, so tall roasts and deep casserole dishes are out. And because the lower elements sit right under the food, deep cleaning takes patience. Buying advice for this one, because it is unlike anything else here. If the flip is the reason you want it, go handle one in a store and flip it up and down yourself. That hinge action and how far it sticks out from the wall is what people either love or send back. Ordering online instead? Measure the gap between your counter and your upper cabinets first, because a flipped up oven needs vertical room a normal oven does not. Number 4, Cuisinart TOA70NAS, 1,800 watts, 0.6 cubic feet, 8 functions: air fry, convection bake, convection broil, bake, broil, warm, toast, and grill. The grill is the part people miss. Cuisinart includes a reversible ceramic nonstick plate, grill ridges on one side, flat griddle on the other, so steaks sear and pancakes come from the same box. It is rated for 6 slices of toast, 3 pounds of wings, a 12-inch pizza, or a 4-pound chicken, warm up to 450 degrees. List price is $219.95, and it commonly sells around $179.95. One quirk to know: the timer is mechanical, and Cuisinart has confirmed publicly that its ticking sound cannot be switched off. If a ticking kitchen drives you up the wall, that is your deciding factor. Now the product I promised to call out, the Cuisinart TOA70. It is still on best of lists everywhere, and it is still what most people buy when they search Cuisinart air fryer oven. 2 problems. Cuisinart's own website now lists it as discontinued, so any price you see is leftover stock. And Tech Gear Lab's testers put its air frying a clear step below every dedicated air fryer in their group, called it their least favorite user experience of the lot, and the hardest to clean, mainly because the fry basket nests inside the baking pan with nothing holding the two together. TechRadar's reviewer also found times and temperatures needed adjusting. Now I will be straight with you. The TOA70 does not fix that basket and pan setup. Cuisinart's own manual tells you to nest it the same way. What the TOA70 adds is the grill plate, the extra function, and a model still in production with parts and support behind it. Number 3, Ninja French Door Premier FO101. FO101, 20.3 quarts, 10 functions, and the doors are the whole point. Air fry, air roast, whole roast, bake, pizza, broil, reheat, dehydrate, toast, and bagel. Both doors swing open with one pull, so you're not fighting a drop-down door that steals counter depth every time you check food. Ninja ships a 5-quart air fry basket rated for 5 pounds of fries, which Ninja calls the biggest air fry capacity in a French door oven. It runs 450-degree cyclonic air and preheats in 90 seconds, and trusted reviews confirmed that 90-second preheat in hands-on testing. Homes and Gardens tested it in a small apartment kitchen and rated it a strong pick for big capacity and tight space. The cooking surface is made without PFAS, and the accessories go in the dishwasher. Comparable value is $279.99. Two things to watch. First, trusted reviews pointed out that dehydrate and reheat are on the FO101, but not the cheaper FO100. And the two look nearly identical on a shelf, so check the model number on the box. Second, it ships with one wire rack. Ninja does sell a matching French Door Premier wire rack separately for $19.99, so 2-level cooking is possible. It just is not free. If you regularly run a sheet pan dinner and a side dish together, budget for that rack. Number 2, Typhur Sync Oven CV04. This is the oven I teased at the start. 27 quarts, 12 modes, roast, air fry, broil, bake, grill, toast, pizza, proof, reheat, warm, slow cook, and dehydrate. Dual heating elements, a 2400 RPM fan moving air, a full 360 degrees, 3 fan speeds, 85 to 450 degrees. Typhur says it roasts up to 30% faster than a conventional oven. The probe is why it sits at number 2. A wireless probe built into the oven, NIST verified, 5 sensors, stated accuracy of half a degree Fahrenheit. On the oven's own panel, you pick beef, fish, pork, lamb, or chicken, or set a custom target, and the heat stops the moment the meat hits that number. A magnetic dock charges the probe, and roughly 3 minutes of charge covers a full cook. That kills the most common failure in home cooking: overcooked chicken and dried out pork. Capacity handles a 12-inch pizza, a 6-pound whole chicken, 6 slices of toast, or 2 pounds of fries. The CV04 is the retail version, and it is the one that adds dual stage cooking for whole chicken and prime rib, plus high, medium, and low fan speeds in air fry mode. Comparable value is $299.99, and it is sold as low as $229.99. Men's Journal tested it for several weeks and rated it a serious cooking tool, not just a fan in a box. Buying advice. Because this one is different, the probe is not app locked. You pick your protein on the oven's own screen, watch the temperature climb there, and it shuts off at your target without your phone. The app adds remote monitoring, multi-stage control, guided recipes, and AI recipes. So if you never want a Wi-Fi appliance, you still get the main event. If you hate app-driven gadgets entirely, you are paying for a layer you will not open. Number 1, Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. Pro BOVA 900 BSS USC, 1,800 watts, a full 1 cubic foot inside, 13 functions, and the Element LeQ system running 6 independent quartz elements with PID temperature control. That is the part that matters. Instead of blasting top and bottom equally, it moves power to whichever element the job needs. A 2-speed convection fan does the rest, and Breville says super convection cuts cooking time by up to 30%. It reaches 480 degrees and dehydrates on 4 trays at once. Capacity is 9 slices of toast, a 13-inch pizza, a 14-pound turkey, and a genuine 9x13 pan, with 4 rack slots, so you can actually run 2 levels at once. In the box, a 13-inch pizza pan, 2 oven racks, an enamel roasting pan, a roasting rack, and a mesh air fry basket. Warranty is 2 years. List is $399.95, and it drops to around $319.95 during sales. So timing matters more here than anywhere else on this list. Why it takes number 1, track record. America's Test Kitchen's longtime favorite toaster oven is the Breville Smart Oven, praised for its toast, its cakes, and its roast chicken, and for being durable and easy to operate. The Air Fryer Pro is the larger air frying version of that same platform. Consumer Reports also rates Breville highly for owner satisfaction and reliability. And in a Tom's Guide, head-to-head, run by a 30-year veteran of the Good Housekeeping Institute, the Breville beat a big Ninja oven on frozen fries while losing on wings and toast. It is not perfect at everything. It is the most consistently proven oven here. The catch is physical. About 21.25 inches wide, 17 deep, 12.75 tall, close to 39 pounds, and Breville asks for clearance around the sides and back for venting. This is not an oven you slide under a low cabinet. So before you order, get a tape measure out and check counter depth and the height under your cabinets, including that clearance. Size is the easiest way to return a perfectly good oven. Now the tip I promised, and it applies to every oven here. The capacity number on the box lies to you. Quarts and cubic feet are measured wall to wall, including the space heating elements, rack rails, and the fan housing eat-up. Two ovens can both say 0.9 cubic feet, and one takes a real 9 by 13 pan, while the other maxes out at a 9-inch pizza. So ignore quarts. Look for the maximum pan size the manufacturer publishes, then measure the pan you already own, then add a few inches behind the oven for the plug and the vent. That is what decides fit, not the quart rating on the front. Quick recap: cheap extra oven space, number 6. Tiny counter, number 5. Best value with a grill plate, number 4. Big family and French doors, number 3. You cook a lot of meat and hate guessing, number 2. And the one testers keep coming back to, number 1. All the links are in the description, and prices move constantly, so check before you buy. Tell me in the comments which one you're leaning toward.